everyone. Welcome to Mexico Beach. We're out here today at something really special. It's a rare opportunity to find a single-family residential attached dwelling that has 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and amazing rental income, if that's what you're looking for. But maybe you got another family. If you got another family, you might want to check out the other side also, because we're listing 1305 Highway 98. They can be bought independently, but they can also be bought together. So if you and your family have been thinking about some kind of joint effort where you can all join and gather at the beach together, and you've got a large family, this might be the opportunity for you. Not only did I tell you about the great rental income, but it's the perfect setup because it's 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths. It has this great outdoor entertaining area, and the owner has thought of all the things. They not only have the maintenance-free, and I know this is a trash can area and you don't want to highlight this, but what's funny about it is they got the maintenance-free decking on it. They've thought of all the boards. They've got a cubby for your trash cans. A lot of people just don't have these things. You've got concrete pilings here, super sturdy house. You've got hardy plank cement siding. But look at this. You've got a place to gather right here. You've got a grilling station. You've got storage. You've got a place to sit and sip a cool drink in the summer. I love this because, you know, it just gives you the chance for everybody to hang out in the hot tub. I'm going to show you in just a minute because I think after I show you the shower, hold on just a second because I'm going to tell you about something that might be interesting. You got a hot and cold shower here. You got a little bit more storage underneath here if you want to store boogie boards and that sort of thing. I love that the downstairs has an outdoor entrance, so you're just going to really come downstairs and come right out here, and you've got the maintenance-free decking. You've got it all the way down your boardwalk that is shared, but you've got a shower and a hose. You can get all cleaned up before you get on the decks. I love that. You've got a beautiful dune that kind of gives you privacy from the beach, so you're really up close and personal with the beach, but you also get this privacy down here, which is kind of nice. You've got a great space. It comes fully furnished, so all these nice heavy chairs and all the thoughtfulness that they put into this is pretty spectacular. You also have another bar that you can sit at here, and you can, you know, do a search for the dolphin. First one wins. First one spotted wins. You've got seats on this side of the outdoor bar. So literally, you've got 6 seats there, 3 seats over here. I mean, you can gather the whole family down here if everybody wants to hang out. But what I was thinking, and I haven't done the research on it, but I do feel like you've got enough room if you wanted to add a plunge pool out here. You've got room to add a small plunge pool. But let's go in and let's take a look at the inside, which has had lots of thought put into it. I'm going to bring you through the front door. So this is all concrete here. You've got tons of parking, which is very important when you've got a 5 bedroom. You've got to be able to park everybody. We've had a lot of rain, so you've got a lot of good drainage here. You don't see any standing water. When you get in here, this might not be a big deal to you, and I know you see the washer and dryer when you walk in on this main level, but you've got an extra set of washer and dryer, and that's kind of important when you've got a lot of people. You've got an elevator right here to take you to all the floors, so you bring your stuff right in from the car, offload the groceries and the luggage, and run it to whatever floor they're staying on. I've got a landing area here with some nice artwork. It comes fully equipped down here, and when you've got 5 bedrooms, having this whole extra living room area is super important. Not only do you have a nice big screen TV if the kids want a game or you want to watch a football game, or you want to be indoor, outdoor for, you know, for any reason. You've got a whole ice maker here, so that's going to supply all your ice needs for the beach. You've got a fridge. You can store it with all your favorite beverages, and all of this comes with. So they have just thought of all the details that you'd have to think of if you were buying a beach rental or you were trying to get it set up as one. They've done it all. I do believe that you can even do a little sleeping here because you've got a sleeper sofa down here, so it does add a little bit more sleeping space if you need that. But let's go upstairs and let me show you what's going on up here. You've got wood tread here. I love that they've got tile floor everywhere. You even have tile floor on these landings. The maintenance on these tile floors are so easy, and it's really got all the beach colors to it, so you know it doesn't show dirt real easily, and it's pet friendly and all that good stuff. Look at this. Nice and open, bright and light, floor to ceiling windows that they put in here as for your viewing area. I mean, you just walk straight in and you're seeing the view. You've got a nice balcony back here, so if you wanted to open the whole house up, you could. vaulted ceilings here that gives you a nice elevated feel. You've got a good color on the walls for showing fingerprints, and you've got a full bathroom down here. So you've got one guest room on the main level, which is really important, especially if you're renting. People like to have one bedroom that is on the main level, so if grandma and grandpa come and they don't want to have to do any of the stairs, they don't have to. They're all right here. Nice kitchen, fully equipped, lots of cabinets, big, nice, open stainless steel sink, upgraded plumbing fixtures in these. You've got a full fridge here and another washer and dryer up here so you can keep the world rocking while you're cooking, and some storage bins in the pantry. I'll let you take a look at that real quick. So when you offload all your groceries, you've got room and shelves that are just open. Renters really like that, and it just makes it easy for easy beach living. Let's take a look over here at the main floor guest room. It's got a king-size bed, closets, but the main attraction is the view. You've got a bedroom that's got direct access out here. And I'm just going to go out this door. We could have gone out the living room door, but see, you can talk to people down here. This is the whole main floor deck area. You got a full set of table and chairs here, which is really nice to hang out. It's so peaceful out here. I mean, this is July, and it literally feels so peaceful out here. I mean, I just want to sit down and listen to the waves. It's really lovely. We've got more bedrooms to explore, so let's go head upstairs and I'll show you what that looks like. When we get up here, you're going to see that you get a full bunk room. So it's great for kids, or because they made them queen size down here, you really can have adults down here. So if you come down here, everybody loves to offshore fish. So if you got a fisherman in your family and he wants to bring all of his buddies, there's plenty of room for everybody because you've got a double set of queens. So it's rare that I see this, and I think it's nice that you got a walk-in closet so there's room for everybody to store their luggage, and it comes complete with a full bathroom that can be shared that's all tiled. It's got a tub in there if you need it for the little ones. And you know, they were so thoughtful, put pocket doors everywhere. It just creates so much room. The elevator stops right here, so it's perfect if you need to drop off all the luggage for everybody. And then you've got a full primary suite here at the front. Again, another bedroom with Gulf views. Look at these views, unbelievable. You've got a full closet here, his and hers, plus the king-size bed, and then this view laying in bed is pretty unbelievable. Not only can you see the stars at night, but you can see up and down the beach forever. Look at this new beach restoration that they've done. They've got brand new dune walkovers here with all the sea oats that are coming in nicely. This beach is huge. It's all spread out. I don't think it gets any better than this. I love it. They've done such a good job on the whole beach restoration project that they did. Watch your step. These high impact glass has a little threshold here, and the doors are heavy. So, all right, we've got ceiling fans in all the bedrooms, and we've got another floor to go explore. That rhymes. Another floor to go explore. Again, all the way up, same flooring throughout the whole place. You don't always see that either, so I just want to point that out. You've got some extra storage right here. You also have the climate-controlled thermostats that you can control from your phone. Again, elevators right here. We're greeted with a full bath with a pocket door that has two sets of pocket doors so it can be closed off, and it services both of these Gulf front bedrooms. And both of these bedrooms that are guest rooms up here each have a king-size bed. This is pretty spectacular. Just look at this view right here from this room. Let's give you the very top floor look. You've got the threaded stainless steel railing on all levels, the maintenance-free decking. They've thought of all the things that makes it easy for you to take care of this place. And that's kind of important. A lot of people don't factor all that in. You've got vinyl soffits, metal roof, you've got the maintenance-free decking and the stainless steel threading. All of this, none of it has to be painted. So, and you know, usually the hardy paint, and it's got a fresh paint job on it, lasts for about 10 years. So all the important things from soup to nuts for a renter have been thought of, and for your family, just to come enjoy it. It's got everything, all the dishes, all the pots and pans. Anyway, I don't think it gets any better if you're looking for an investment property or a place for your family to hang out. It services all the needs with these amazing views. If you want more information, just comment Live the Beach Life below. We'll send it to you. Share it with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.